Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa and George Pig during Easter. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a big egg that has broken in two. Our little pigs want to sit inside the egg. Let's draw Peppa first. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head, and her smiling mouth, and a circle for her cheek. I draw a headband with rabbit ears on the top of her head, and her two ears. Now I draw her body. I draw her arms, and in her hand she holds a chick. It looks very pretty. Now let's draw George next to her. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head, and his smiling mouth, and a circle for his cheek. He also has rabbit ears on his head. Now I draw his body. Then I draw his outfit. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Peppa. I use this pink marker for her skin. Then I use light purple for her cheek. I color the bunny ears in her dress with light purple. Her shirt is going to stay white with little yellow dots on it. I colored the chick yellow and orange. Now we are going to color George. I use pink for his skin. Then I use light purple for his cheek. I color his bunny ears and his shirt with light blue. For his pants, I use dark blue. Finally, color the Easter egg where they are sitting with red. Light red. For the dots, I use rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Finally, let's add some orange to the background. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.